Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green forests and rolling hills, lived a group of adventurous children. They spent most of their days exploring the great outdoors, but they never went far from home. One day, as they were playing in the woods, they stumbled upon a hidden path they had never seen before. Curious and excited, they followed the path until they came across a beautiful garden. They were awed by the blooming flowers, the trickling streams, and the playful bunnies hopping around. Suddenly, one of the bunnies approached them and spoke in a surprisingly human voice.
Hello, children. I'm Mr. Hopper, the head of the Easter egg factory, and I'd like to invite you to come and see our operation.
The children were stunned. They had never heard of such a place, and they were eager to learn more. So, they followed Mr. Hopper through the garden and into a massive factory, hidden behind a waterfall. Inside, they met Miss Daffodil, the cheerful and kind factory manager. She showed them around the factory and explained that the bunnies were in charge of creating the most beautiful Easter eggs in the world, using natural materials and magic. The children were fascinated, and they quickly made friends with the bunnies and the other employees. However, they soon discovered that the bunnies were mischievous creatures who loved to play pranks on each other. They had a tendency to get into trouble, and the children soon realized that they had a responsibility to help keep the factory running smoothly. They pitched in, working together to keep the bunnies in line, and soon, the eggs were rolling out faster than ever before. Along their adventure, the children also got to experience breathtaking landscapes, from the rolling hills and the meadows to the breathtaking sunsets over the horizon. They learned the value of friendship and teamwork, and they appreciated the beauty and bounty of nature. At the end of their adventure, the children returned home with memories they would never forget and Easter eggs more beautiful and unique than any they had ever seen. From that day forward, they knew that anything was possible, and that with hard work, cooperation, and a little bit of magic, they could achieve anything they wanted.
We hope you enjoyed this story about the adventurous children and their journey through the Easter egg factory. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories and adventures. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for watching.